Here are the ingredients for the dipping sauce. We need 1/8 ounces of Japanese dried tuna. We need around 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. We also need 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. First of all, we will put the dried tuna on our saucepan. We will add half a cup of water. Let it bubble gently. Don't overboil it, other else the fishy taste will come out from the tuna. And then strain off the tuna. We just want the stock. Put the stock back to the saucepan, and then we will add the soy sauce and the sugar. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes, and you can taste it. When it's the nice taste you are looking for, put it into a dish, add more sesame seed, and your sauce is ready.